And then the right side, what they had is about half that space. Because what they put is rock arches. And same thing here, they cut out the wall on the rock arches. And the indoor toilet, so then what they did is they put a cabinet on the wall. And it was very dark here. We had, when we arrived, there was one light, no overhead light, just one spot. So we tried to just do modern lighting and opened it up, took away, you know, the clothes there and made it more of an open room. And then upstairs as well, we tried to clear it up as possible to do the floor. If you want to see Mike, I'll show you this. After you. And again, this is the cool part about these old houses like this. You just don't find stairs like this with the banister the way it is. And like when you walk up the stairs, you notice something's different. And what it is, building code wise,
oh, it's short.
It's much shorter.
Yeah.
But people don't catch on. But then up here, again, what we've done is we've got, you know, we can do it for semi-private.
Oh wow, okay.
So people can do presentations up here for, you know, we had, on the weekend we had about 38 people here. One of the film companies, they just did a private party. And what we do as well is for pharmaceuticals or presentations, they just plug straight into the TVs for PowerPoint. And then we've had a lot of our Olympic bookings, they've requested that we have ability to watch events or watch highlights of events for when they're entertaining, be it whatever company it is. So
this is beautiful.
And then the bay windows, people just love sitting by the bay windows with the round tables. So again, up here we can do 40, or we just do, as you see, set up now.
Yeah.
This is a perfect place for a birthday party or.
But again, we do it regular seating as well, same menu, same everything. The feel, the style, everything we want to do is the same. But you're welcome to come to the bar, just have a glass of wine, a little pasta, watch the game. So, but quality and direction can be the exact same. Yeah.
Very cool.
So it's good. Again, you got the character of the, you know, of those homes built in the 1800s, just with some modern touches to it now.